Mound City Mayor Chris Krueger took this video of the floodwater downtown.
It was a true flash flood. It came in a matter of minutes. 6 inches of rain in a few hours.
Homes at Evans Circle were hit hard.
We have families that have been here 10 and 12 years, so this is their home. And some of the residents they maybe had 10 minutes to evacuate.
Sean, save any of this stuff.
Pam's sister lived here.
I took her up to the motel, checked her in, came back. There was probably 3 feet of water in here by then, and before the night was over, it was chest deep.
The water dried out, leaving behind a mess.
The good thing about living in a small town is people just show up to help.
For some, it's the second time their homes have been flooded.
The housing here in the area is taken because of the flooding in the bottom, and Craig and Big Lake, and a lot of those individuals have come in. A lot of them were living here.
It's going to be a long road back to normal.
And our biggest concern is finding housing for them now.
The mayor says he hopes a disaster declaration will be made so that Mound City can get state assistance. But right now, the biggest concern is finding a new home and having to start all over. Reporting from Mound City, Missouri, I'm Bianca Beltran, KMBC 9 News.